how to convert iPhone photo to JPG or JPEG. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now it's very easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do it with any iPhone you have with any image. So we're just going to go to our photo album and find the image you want to go ahead and do this with. So let's say in my instance, it's this one right here. If I go ahead and press these three little dots, I'm not going to see any option here. What I'm going to do is press the share button. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and press save to files. Once I save it to files, I can save it anywhere I want. So I'm going to save to on my iPhone. Now all I'm going to do is go to my files application, find the image. And as you can see, it's right here. Now what I can do is press like the file name, and then I'm going to see a few different options. So right now it's a JPEG image. And if I wanted to go ahead and change it or anything like that, all I would have to basically just go ahead and do is, once I'm on the files application, find whatever image I want. I'm going to see a few different options, right? So if I go ahead and click on the name, as you can see right now it's a PNG, I'm going to press export. Then I can change it to a JPEG or a JPG. And yeah, it's as simple as that.